pre. Ayun, pre. Yan. Ayun na, pre. Sige, pre. Good boy. Okay, let's move. Let's go, let's go. Kaya lang, pre. Pogs, Pogs. Tingnan muna dito, puto. Tingnan dito, pre. Tingnan dito.
Ano?
Uy, shoutout sa asawa ko! Tutok mo dito, tutok mo dito. Ay, sorry. Ano ba na? Pre! 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 Nakatingin, pre! Jeng Puhata. Tara!
Pogs. Anong feeling mo makapag-hit ka na?
Bro, I feel, excited bro.
Gano'n ka-excited pa?
Sobra.
Nakatulog ka agabi.
Parang di nga ako
Parang ano ba? Parang may tatay kang dala dito.
Sobrang excited ko pre, nagbalipas ako ng oras, nag-long ride ako kanina umaga.
Nag-long ride ka ngayon ng umaga?
Yung mami niya, yung mami
Parang
niya.
mandar yung oras pre.
Yung mami niya.
Hey, hello po mami.
I'm proud of you,
Parang
son.
mandar yung oras pre.
I'm proud of you, son.
Na-excite ka niyan?
Oh pre,
Come here,
sobra.
So excited ka tapos inspired ka sa one shot mo, no? Ayan ha, hintayin natin mag-fit ka. Mag-fit ka mamaya.
Repeat ako.
Tapos ito,
Vlog natin yung fit bro.
repeat.
Sugar mommy. Ay,
Ayan,
sorry,
ayan,
ulit,
pre.
ulit. Ulit, pre, ulit.
Sige. Ayan pare, excited no?
Hindi pa tapos.
Hindi pa man tapos si
Hindi,
Bossing,
tinry
no?
ko yung sapatos, bago eh.
Ay, Parpar.
What's up, Parpar?
Ba't to? Sakto. Birds, tingnan mo.
Tingnan mo, di mo kasi laki.
Kasi, pwede sila magkasilag eh. Kasi hindi sila parehas ng kulay. What? Ganun yun. No? Yan, hindi sila magsilag eh, kasi hindi sila parehas ng kulay.
Sam. Ang sakit mo sa ulo.
Sa ulo.
Ay! Ay, birds, birds.
Pre. Excited.
Excited to, pre, oh. Ano, criterion din? Anong goal mo, pre? Matagusan ba ni Borgie? Matagusan si Borgie? Bakit ako lang ni Borgie na? Sobrang excited na kayo. Yes. Sobrang excited na. Naman ako na eh.
Pa. Ano yan pa?
Birds, labas, birds! Labas, birds! Sige, bago mo, pre! Sige ka! Ano na? Ay, na-finish na, pre!
Sige, banat. Oh. Wow. Yay.
Ay, sorry. George, how are you? Okay na. Secret.
Hindi, ano na yun eh.
Meron mo ano dito? May bond zero po sila.
Tatanong ko, next week nandun ako. Paano yan? Paano may tumating na bond zero? Kaso mas gusto ko po yung Vaporess eh.
Mas, sarap po ng Vaporess? Stop mo ito ba?
Gusto na nag-molit.
Please start it. Heavier.
From
Mas magaan sa balikat. Okay, drop your shoulder, bending elbow.
Oo, ka-form mo din.
Forward. Stop.
Lalim ah. Lalim ah.
Negative 17 ka?
Ano laro ni Adrian sa sa team?
Madalas po dito sa ano eh. Puro breakaway ko eh. Nalagay ko lang yung nuggets sa mga breakaway. Alright, please start it.
Ano hula mo sa stem niya?
130.
130 na.
Ready. Positive 17.
Uy!
Nasa 110, negative 17.
Sarap ah.
Ano sa kaso?
Drop your shoulder. Drop. You're too stiff. Loosen this. Faster. Ano naman to, okay? Bagsak mo lang. Relax. Bagsak mo lang. Faster. Very good. Bagsak mo. Very good. Sige, faster. Then move forward on the saddle for me. That's too much. Very good. Cardiacchio. You can move back a bit. Forward. 90. Pero. Faster. Cardiacchio. Ano naman ito? Ito yung kanina. Ito po. Stop ang sabay. All the channels can go up slightly. Find the window. Pero hahanapin ko muna yung lowest point mo. Before I start going up.
Kahit sa side lang kita, no? Kahit sa side lang kita.
Para just feel. Sarap ka-dense, ano? Sipa niyo. Sarap na bilog na bilog, ano? Ganda na sipa. Forward.
Ganda ng sipa pare oh.
Okay, kalakas na ako.
Stop. I think you're better with a negative 12.
Folks, nakakaroon ako.
Masyado ka ng puti sa negative 7. Kailangan kasi nakakahinya ka pa rin.
I think if you want to go air, you can go down on the drops naman. I'll teach you what to do later. Alright. Go. Think forward. Better, right? Think faster, forward. Go lower, arrow. You can do better. Very good. Lower.
Nakaw.
Left.
Haba na yan ah.
That's too long for you. 120 ka lang. Try it. Faster. Cardiacchio. Hand to the drops. Very good. Alright, let's start. Gawin dito warm up. Yung pala tayo magpipila.
Hindi kita, pero 120. Hindi tayo makikita.
Today is July 5. Your date of birth?
April 20 po, 2001.
4/20. Your full name?
Adrian.
Adeo. Phone number again?
0920.
0920. Oh, who send that?
6 taken na, taken.
Taken na, taken na.
4.
468.
468. Your email?
Adrian, small letter sila.
Navarro? Adrian with a double N or isang N? Navarro. Single D and then victory. Double R. Navar.
Opo.
R-R-R-O.
Then,
And occupation? Kala ko lover boy.
Occupation, nangungupit sa bike shop.
Oh, secret door.
Yung secret yun.
Ang mga naman sa radio.
Malalaman ni Mama.
Address, Pampanga. Torak. Taga-Torak ka ba? Opo. Doon ka ba uwi? Ano yan? Lapit oh. Okay na. Okay, your bike is a
2020.
Iko. Size 51. Riding profile competitive. Bili mo na akong kape, iced coffee ha.
Uy!
O frappuccino. Hard. Shoulder. Anything else? Okay, let's start from the toes. Numbness in the toes. Left and right?
Dito lang.
Okay. And left palm. Anything else? Arm pain, heel pain, ankle pain. Cramping in the calf. Knee pain. Soreness in the quads and hamstrings. How about pressure in the genitals? Genital pressure. Pag may pressure dito sa saddle. Okay, how about sa sit bone?
Ayun ba yun?
Yung here sa pulan.
Sa hips.
Sa hip, wala naman. Good. Lower back pain. Okay, upper back is the neck and the neck. Meron wala. How about shoulder?
Wala na.
Okay, the tricep, the elbow, the forearm. Hand pressure, yes. No. Do you have any chronic pains in your body? This is not cycling related. This is something that you feel when you're not riding the bike. Other activities besides cycling? Bike is like, okay,
Bike is
3
like.
hours, how many hours do you ride your bike in a week?
15 minutes.
Have you ever had any history of surgery on your body?
Wala.
Have you worn any orthodontics like braces?
Eh, opo.
Have you ever had any extractions from the dentist? Namulong ka na ng weekend? Good. Okay, please look to me, check your jaw alignment. Close your mouth. No. Good. Close your mouth. Left to the right. Have you ever had any history of fractures in your body? How about dislocations, injuries to the body? Good. Okay. How about other injuries? Ankle sprain, shin splint, whatever? None. Very good. When you pedal, which leg do you feel stronger, the left or the right? Have you ever had big hits or heavy blows in your body? You fell on a bike, you fell on a tree, you fell on a motorcycle, got into a car accident. Good. Contact sports, so we play any, like martial arts, basketball. Boxing ka?
Opo.
Future cycling goals, competitive. Your height, 5'7". Your weight.
55.
Your shoulder, I'm gonna measure. Alright, stand up please. Yan, pero mo na ito ha. Harap sa akin. Go like this, just relax. Just relax your shoulder.
Grabe.
36.
May ilaw dyan eh.
Very good. Alright, this is number. Mama. Hello? Meron? Yeah, with you? Tingnan natin. Is it breathing? Sunglasses? Do you have any allergies? Do you take any supplements? What type of supplements? Just relax.
Baho daw ng pang, pre.
So this is 4-degree virus angle on the left. And 9 on the right. Hindi na lang. 4 and 9. Alright, thank you. Stand up. So what I just did is to measure the 4-foot angle. Theoretically, ang sabi nila is that the foot should be flat, sabi nila, okay? Like this. I mean, yung angle ng paa, dapat daw, ganito. Pantay, may height pa. Pero honestly, in all my years of fitting, I haven't seen anyone with perfectly 0-0 4-foot angle like that. One. Majority of the population is like this. That's what we call a varus 4-foot angle or a varus foot. And minority, only 5% is like this. And you yourself, you're part of the majority. You have around 4 to 5 degree on the left and around 9 to 10 on the right. So meaning when you pedal, you don't push power with it like this. Yung paa mo, gumaganto. And this type of motion affects your stability. It makes you unstable in every pedal stroke. If you're unstable, it affects your efficiency, your comfort, and most importantly, your power production. So instead of you being able to push down with solid power, lumilikot pa. So malaking power ang nawawala. So we're going to check where you need insoles or wedges to further improve your stability on the bike, okay?
Pre, naintindihan mo yun, pre.
Oh. Alright, Adrian. Can you stand over here? Put your heels back on the wall. Dikit mo yung heel mo sa wall. Diretso mo yung paa. Good. Right knee locks first, both slightly laterally rotated. So yung hip mo, baka ganun ng konti. Okay, so meaning when you go down, gumaganong pa siya. Kaya pinipilit mo ipasok yung tuhod. Pinipilit mo ba ganun pag pinisipa ka? So I need you to just pedal naturally. Yung ako ang mag-a-adjust para makapedal ka na ayos. Kaya, nangyayari, when you go down like this, pinipilit mo gano'n, kaya yung sika mo nagkakagulo. Just relax, kasi pag pinipilit mo, you're engaging your vastus medialis, yung inner thigh. You're not being efficient kasi you're using energy para ma-engage mo siya. Okay? Good. Now, I'm going to measure your foot. Put your left heel. Very good. Relax. One step forward in the right. So this is 249. Medyo wide-footed ka. 249. Basically, it's D na. Pero nasa ika pa rin halos, okay? I'll put it as D. Other side. One step forward. Same thing. 249. Wow. E. Okay, this one's wider. Okay? Wider yung right no. Let's say 249. Thank you. Don't measure your torso. Feet apart. Feet apart. Good, just relax. Nagyan na ba kita, boss?
Hindi ko na nakita.
Hindi mo na inabot yung dito, no? Ang inabot mo yung merit tool pa.
Tsaka yung nangyari nga sa paa. Kanina. Yung unang kong ginawa sa
Ay, okay. You fit together, please. So it's telling me the right hip can slightly be forward, around 2 mm versus the left. Okay. Pull up, brother. Yeah, yung sagad, feet together, normal stance lang. Good. Look straight. Pull up, sagad. Higher. 76.4. Thank you. Facing the wall. Okay. You're 6.4 kilograms heavier than the left.
Diyan ang patay, bro. First of it.
Alright. Stand up there, facing the wall, brother.
Saan po?
Harap ka sa wall. Continue, look forward. And wear your mask, please, here. Look forward, man. Left AC joint is higher. Right iliac crest is higher, slightly. Wait, no. No, the left is higher, okay? Left iliac crest is higher. Raise your arms and reach for the ceiling. Drop your arm. Good. Now, I need you to close your left eye. Good. Cover the left eye with the left hand. Good. Now, drop your hands and open your left eye. Go. Good. That's a reactive left eye. Your left eye is causing you to have a shorter leg.
Hindi ko naman paano nangyari.
Saan yun? Nahulog sa left eh. Pag pizza dito.
Alright. Just relax, man. Sit down. One more. Lie down here. Bend your knees. Good. I need you to do 3 hip bridges. Raise your hips the highest of the foot. Up. Taas mo yung balakang mo. And down. Up. And down. Up. and down. Steady with pull your leg. Sit down, upo ka. Slightly shorter right leg. 3 millimeter, dapat mo kang dalawa. Alright, well, you need to drink water. You have water? Yeah, we're gonna start aligning your body.
Mas pag ka na nga.
Wala yan, bro. Kaya yan.
Minum ka mo.
Oh. I'm seeing. Ano sa akin? Good. And stick out your right arm like this, block the elbow, extend your hands. Good. So what I have with me is a very strong magnet. Okay? The S in the magnet stands for South Pole, and the other side stands for North Pole. Okay? What I'm going to do is place the South Pole magnet on top of the shoulder like this. Place my arm, top your arm like this. If I say go, I need you to forcefully lift your arm. Pinakasagad, bigay mo pataas, tutulak mo baba, pigilan mo. Full effort, okay? Ready, set, go. Biglayin mo, pinaka-strongest mo. Ready, set, go. Kaya mo, di ba? Pag napigilan mo sa North Pole, libre na yung bike fit mo. Ready, set, go. What happened? Walang power, di ba? Why? South pole of the magnet activates your muscle, while the north pole of the magnet deactivates your muscle, meaning your body is normal. You're not under hypertonicity nor hypotonicity, means I can fully align your body. It's a good news for us, okay? Now, stick out your right arm and get down. Sit down properly. Kita mo, pantay na yung legs mo? Yes. So what I just did, stand up, is Steve Hobbs technique of body alignment. It's part neuromuscular therapy, part kinesiotherapy. So I highly believe that most of the misalignments of the body, the lack of mobility, the limitation range of motion, the tightness that you have, the imbalances in your body, these are not all biomechanical. Most of the time, these are neuromuscular, meaning it's your brain limiting the functions of your body. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I get to work with your central nervous system, specifically the cerebellum, para before I get you back riding that bicycle, you're far more symmetrical. You increase your stability, improve your mobility, and your flexibility, para I can put you in a much more better position. Don't worry, this is permanent. As long as you don't get any severe sickness, diseases, viruses, or fractures in the body, hindi siya babalik sa natin. Okay? Stand over here.
So meron tayong mga parts ng bike fit na hindi pwedeng ilagay. So ano yan, sa mga clients lang pwede yun, saka sa mga pinagkakatiwalaan ni Sir Frederick. So ako, malaki yung anong tawag doon? Malaki yung pasasalamat ko kay Sir na pinagkatiwalaan niya kung makita ko yun. So ayan.
Gusto nyo rin makita paano mamatay si Paul.
Oo, at saka kung paano 10 seconds lang. 10 seconds, so.
Okay, bye-bye.
Sige. Malapit na mag-collapse.
Nanginginig na.
Oo nga. So, ayun. Pagit ka. So, habang hindi ko pinapakita yung yung mga procedures na yun.
Mukha ko muna yung tingnan niya.
Maraming salamat TCG.
10 push-up.
TCG sa cup. And then yung sa'yo.
Kiko,
It's my coach.
patanggal na ng pedal.
Ayan. Maximus.
10 push-up.
Coach.
Andy.
Alright. So, mamaya. May push-up po.
Yun, no? Favorite niya, oh. Pwede na mag-sundalo to. Pwede mag-push-up, eh.
Mama. Sundalo ka na daw, huwag ka na mag-bike.
Hindi, i-push-up na. Mag-sundalo na lang.
Par. Hindi, ibang push-up, no?
Go get your shoes again.
So, tatanggalin na yung sa, tatanggalin na yung pedals. Alright? Alright, sapatos naman. Par. Kumusta ka naman so far?
Pagod na ako.
Pagod ka na, no? Hindi ka pa sumasakay sa bike mo yan, no?
Like bro.
You're dying?
Yeah.
Oo.
Good.
Yeah. Masok yung sapatos niya at yung pedal mo. Yun, no? Pero, mas maayos kumpara dati.
Oh.
Yee naman. Tanda mo daw, 3 weeks, no hard ride, no race. No? 3 weeks. Nasa labas si Captain Ababang. Dito, good evening.
Sorry, hindi kita na ano.
Okay lang po, okay lang.
Plano ko
Okay
eh.
lang. Nakausap ko na po.
Ayun, vlog.
Best po.
Sige, sige.
Fresh from flight.
Power!
Hey.
Just relax ka muna, maninibago ko na.
Aminin mo, magkano binenta sa'yo? Ano dito? Yan.
After body alignment na mo yun.
Okay, relax. Hold. Nagabila ng balakang mo ngayon ah.
Hindi na siya sobrang likot.
Nakakatakot ako ito. Sa kwent, no?
May bago ka ng kalaban sa remote yan.
The forward. The forward. Okay. Nasa ang bigat mo? Nasa upuan o nasa kamay? The forward. Passive.
Ang datig mo? Parang bench na natin.
Nasa 120. This is a 110.
Kumukha mo na sa globe.
Before, this is better. 110. That's a 110. Before, faster.
Eh, yung siya mo parang.
110 pa rin. And mas stable yung balakang niya sa 110. Ganda, no? Bilo-bilo yung before. Sige lang. I'm observing that. What you need to do.
Hindi ka kinakabahan sa kalaban mo.
Sarap.
Sa climb.
Nasa lang po sa ano. Kaya sa una yan. 3 weeks yan. Maninibago ka talaga. Support. Stop off the bike. I like this, but I want to try something else. Anong crank arm niya? Oh, 170? 170 po.
Palit draw ng 155.
175.
Hindi ka mga 6 footer ah.
Ano yung PLDK? Philippine Long Distance Company.
Wala ko yun. Nakita ko lang po yan.
Ito ang sabay.
Nakita niyo lang sa wide, dinikit niya dyan.
Oo, puro ng sticker. Ito po.
Infinity.
Infinity.
Meron pa siyang sabay.
Nandun sa port.
Huwag mo tubing na disco. Ito.
Right. Saddle height.
Gusto ko yung kanina. Hanapin mo na yung limit mo.
So, lagpas 2 CI, lagpas 2 inches na yung...
Oh, nagpas na. Kay Joshua pare, pakislam.
Tumaba eh!
Yan si Boss Joshua. Yung bike niya naka-frame na, naka-laminate pa. Tapos nakasabit.
Try this one. I just wanna see this. 110. Negative 12.
Puta, mahal to ah. Parang gusto ko talaga sa negative 10 lang ah.
Rare, no?
Zip lang ang meron eh.
Ako! Hindi, kaya mo yun.
Zip S.
May bike shop pa pare.
Try this.
May bike shop.
Ah, may mic siya pa?
Oo. Kaya yan.
Zip SL.
Uy, SL agad.
Printer ko na yun, Excel pa.
Third mo ba yung nakanan blade?
Yun naman. Pass and forward.
Ang likod to.
Okay. Faster. Which is better. Ayun, mas okay. Forward. Ano ba? Heavier. 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 Umaangat ka sa upuan. Opo. Paano?
Alright.
Dalawang stable niya. Hindi nga lang. Hindi na power ka na. Tumatagod ka na. See? Lower that one, lower. Go lower. Loosen your shoulder, loosen your neck. Just fall. Yan. Just relax. Huwag mo igigil, okay? When you're on the arrow position, huwag mo igigil. Just fall down like this. And then focus everything in your leg, moving like that, okay? You fall. Okay, very good. Hands in the drop. Same thing, go lower. How does that feel? Move back in the saddle. Move forward. Go like this. If I say go, go like this. Don't stop pedaling. Go. Higher, higher, higher. Go forward, go forward. Are you falling? Tulad na lang, halikan mo. Hoy, tama na. Tulad na lang, kainin mo yun eh. Hindi ka na halikan. Rest for a while. I think I'm going to capture the one. Basta.
Oh, G. Time check, time check. Hindi natin nakikita. Anong oras na? Anong oras na?
11:38.
11:38. Di pa tayo tapos kay Adrian Tadeo, ano? So, si Sir Martin.
Maaga pa daw.
Sabi ni Sir Martin, maaga pa.
Okay. Tingnan the board. We're going to take a video capture.
Ayan. Back tayo, back tayo.
Drop, drop. No, drop on the hood, on the hood, on the hood. Just relax. It will come natural to you. Lower. Move your elbow inward. That's not aerodynamic. There you go. Shoulder forward. Pwede mo labahan dito. There you go. See, faster. Very good. How does that feel? After the drop. Stop. Ito ba natataasan ka? Gusto mo subukang ibaba ko? O tama lang siya? Ibaba ko siguro? Yeah. Parang hindi ka makaabante ng kamay mo eh. Parang isip niya eh. Opo, isip ko. O yung mahina. Masakay ko kasi. Or faster. There you go.
Sa lower hood.
Yes, lower the hood. After the drop. Okay, forward, faster.
Ano mga kaibigan, Adrian Tadeo on the breakaway, ayun no?
Eventually, magkaka-power yan. Ito mag-ala. Faster. Push. Push. Faster. Push. Push. Heavy nga. Gusto ko makita. Heavy. Bus na. Bus na. Ha? Bus na. Baba. Baba. Relax. Rest.
Ubus na. Pre.
Nagkakatawa yung bata.
Ubus na. Ubus na. So, tapos ka na, no?
Sige, Joe.
Tapos na po si Adrian.
Opo. Pero
Ano na?
may mga suggestions tayo. Kailangan niya ng mas flatter na saddle at taba para mas makapower pa siya.
Alright.
Lalaglag yung bala kami.
Number.
Alright. Madami na naman gagastusin si Adrian. Ano? Par, kumusta naman ngayon? Nga. Ay.
Yun ang kita. Tita ko. Paano ko?
Nagtatanong na siya ng mga gamit-gamit. Tita! Bigyan na ma'am. Kumusta naman yung fit? Bagay, pero di mo paramdam masyado, no? Nasabing, patropa, bawal daw siya mag-entry. 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Sir, 1 week lang daw po. 1 week.
2 weeks. Away lang yan.
3 weeks, bawal ang laro. Alright.